So this is the start of our new project. This was a basement that was in dire straits of remodeling. It had a lot of dampness. All that's been rectified now, and it's a 1,500 square feet basement. So this is where we are so far, in the drywalling stage. I came into this with the framing already done, and the insulating was done by the client. A lot of work, especially for one person. This room's going to be completed today. Just need to strap that wall out another 1/2 inch, board the ceiling, do some electrical up there before I close it in, put an inspection hatch in. Lots of mudding. Not my favourite job. And that's going to be the bathroom with the shower. The drains here are about 4 foot high from the ground, so we've got to put 2 sani floors in, one for the toilet, sink and shower, and then another one will be in this room. There's going to be a washing machine and dryer there. Still lots of work to be done. And this is the bedroom. It's a little bit dark in here this morning because I started early. And there's an entertainment centre going there, which I've got to build. We've got to redo these stairs.